What's up, YouTube? Long time no see. I know it's been a while since my last video entry. Man, just got out the military, U.S. vet. You know how it go. Hey, but yeah, we back. We got some stuff to show y'all. The build is not gonna stop. We're gonna get it going. I took a little break from YouTube just so I could, get myself situated in school and everything. But yeah, this is an unboxing. And I'm gonna show y'all a couple of things that we got that we're gonna put on the Scat Pack. We're gonna start off with a light build, get it to, I don't know, probably like 1,000 horsepower, and then we're gonna go from there. I'm not gonna reveal too much of my build right now until I get stuff in, but I will show y'all some of the stuff that we have so far. Bitch, I'm in the Hemi, smoking this out of pressure, sipping Henny. I'm in that push start, ain't no foreign bitch, I'm in the Mopar. Niggas hating, but they ain't got no car. Mid-month to delete for my co-star. We done came a long way, now we so far. All this money can't fit in my go yard. Keep my foot on the gas, ain't no chauffeur. Hellcat wide body on 4G. Alexander McQueen. We got, these are all for the rear. So these are the lower control arms. These are gonna help with wheel hop, as well as the anti-hop bars. So all of this is gonna help me keep my back tires on the ground. And I'll give y'all a review on these when I do put them on. These came in the kit with the Eibach lowering springs for the RT. So I had them originally for the RT, never put them on, but I did put my lowering springs on the RT. So that's why I don't have those springs. But even then, I wasn't gonna put those on the Scat. So yeah, so these are gonna go on the Scat to replace the stock ones, and it's gonna help with wheel hop and all of that. And it's also an unboxing video. So we're gonna get into this box. First off, there go my baby. I know she looks sexy. But yeah, BMR suspension. Been doing a lot of research on YouTube about, how to put more power down, how to do it more efficiently, how to stop spinning so much. And this is the best option, or one of the best options that's on the market. And that is Demon Killer Springs. So this is a front spring. I'll set this over there. Take all this out. This is a rear spring. That's a rear spring. You can see it's a little bit bigger. Hey man, I just want to say it's gonna be a rainbow under my damn car. We're gonna have the red suspension control arms with the orange springs. We're gonna have white calipers. It's gonna be crazy. Yeah, I'll show y'all the rest of these. So here's another one. I'm trying to use one hand to unbox all of this. Please excuse me. This is another front. It's another front one. This is my other rear one. Got some little BMR suspension stickers. So a little bit more about these springs. So these springs are provided by BMR, but they're not on the BMR website. Crazy, right? So I went on Tick Performance to buy these springs, and they're manufactured by BMR but sold by Tick Performance. So when you buy them from Tick Performance, they're gonna say BMR, and that's how you know they're the real ones. Make sure y'all don't go on make sure y'all don't go eBay and buy these damn springs, because you will get fucked over. They literally will take a regular set of springs and paint them orange and sell them to you for Demon Killer Springs. But as far as suspension goes, lower control arms, Demon Killer Springs, anti-hop bars, going with a bigger diff, bigger axles that can hold more, diff brace, of course,
New drive shaft. Might go aluminum, might go carbon fiber. I'm really aiming towards the carbon fiber end. What else we got over here? Excuse the mess. It's dirty over here. I ain't been over here in a little minute. Still got the cam. Still got to put the cam in. Back there in that box is my 3600 stall. So I'll go, just for right now, I'll go cam, stall converter. I'll do my suspension mods. I'm still on E85. And all of that should put me roughly, I'm going to lowball it and say about, high fives, low sixes. But with this suspension, I'll be able to put it down so much more efficiently that, even modded cars that have 25, 50 horsepower over me, I still should be able to stick with them, if not beat them. So yeah, guys, we back. Like I said, I had to take a little break, but we is back. We is civilians now. So, I ain't got to worry about going in early no more. The build is going to be coming along a lot faster. So, I'm going to be making more YouTube entries, and I'm going to keep y'all in the loop so y'all can follow my build. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Road to 2,000 subscribers. Need y'all help on that. Let's get it. Yeah, guys, stay tuned to the channel. Make sure y'all follow the build. Puppy's coming soon. Waiting on the girls to go in the heat, and we're going to get that kicked off. So it's going to be, a little mix of videos on the channel, but we will be rolling out a lot more content. Peace.